Welcome to another Polkadot tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can assign a curator to a bounty using Polkadot.js. Here we are on the Polkadot.js apps. I'm currently connected to the Kusama relay chain, and we can see here there is a bounty, number 24, that has been proposed that for this specific tutorial. We can see here TechEd bounty test tutorial. We also submitted the bounty for an OpenGov referendum. We can see here, we can click the link to Polkassembly, and this is the specific bounty listed in Polkassembly. If we go under Treasury and the specific track that we use for this bounty, which is a small tipper because we just proposed 1 KSM, we can see here the referendum 280 is the referendum for this bounty. If the referendum passes, we will see here that the status of the bounty will go from proposed to funded. When the bounty has been funded, we can proceed and assign a curator for the bounty. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will show how you can assign a curator without waiting for the bounty to be funded, because this proposal will likely fail. As we can see under referenda, the proposal 280, there are many KSM tokens that voted nay and 0 KSM token that voted yes. So if it's continuing like this, this proposal will likely fail. But anyway, we can go and start to propose the curator. The first step to do is to create a preimage. So we go under preimages. Then we select add preimage. We select the bounties palette. And within the bounties palette, we select the propose curator function. We will need to specify the bounty ID. In this case, the number is 24. Then we will need to specify a curator. In this case, I will just select Alice, which is another account that I have as a curator. But usually you should know the address of the specific curator that has been assigned to your bounty. Then we need also to specify a fee for the curator. Then we can copy the preimage hash and paste it somewhere in your computer. We will need it later on. And note that creating a preimage will reserve some funds, and these funds will be to manually unlocked once the referendum finishes and either passes or is rejected. We can click on Submit Preimage, sign and submit. We sign using the KSM stash account. And we can see that our preimage has been listed on chain here, bounty.proposeCurator. We can now proceed to submit the proposal in OpenGov. We go under Governance, Referenda, Submit Proposal. We need to specify the submission track. In this case is small tipper. We need to paste here the preimage that we copied a while ago. We can click Submit Proposal, sign and submit. We can see the referendum has been listed and is the referendum 281 under the same track of the previous referendum. But of course, in the real scenario, we will need to wait for the referendum 280 to finish, and if approved, the bounty will pass from proposed to funded. And at that time, then we can start and generate the referendum to propose the curator. We need to place the decision deposit for this referendum, because if we fail to do so, the referendum will time out and the submission deposit will be slashed and not available anymore. And this is done basically to avoid spamming the chain with referenda that are not useful for the community. So we click on Decision Deposit. The decision deposit will be 0.03 KSM and it will be for the referendum 281. We sign with the KSM stash account. We click on Place Deposit, sign and submit. We can see we successfully added the decision deposit. We can expand the detail for this referendum, and we can go to Polkassembly. And in here we already logged in with the account that has been used to start the referendum, and we can edit the detail for the description of this specific referendum. We can click on edit. We can add a title and a description. We successfully updated the description. This is a TechEd video tutorial, and we are adding a curator to a bounty. And here I specified who I am, and this is for a video tutorial, and the referendum proposes to add a curator to bounty 24 and see referendum 280, because referendum 280 was the referendum that initially submitted the bounty to OpenGov. Once you're satisfied with the contextual information, you can announce the referendum to the Polkadot direction element channel so that the community can start voting on the referendum, commenting it, and reviewing it. Once the referendum is approved, here on the bounties section, your bounty will change the status from funded to active. Alright, I hope you learned something today about how you can add a curator to a bounty through the Polkadot.js apps. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another video.